I want to ask the Chief of Defense Staff, you guys are always making noise that you are working on increment of the Nigerian military salary. At the end of the day, the noise will just lost, right? Okay. I will tell you guys, and I will still tell the government the reason why these crises are not going to end soon. Yes. Do you guys remember what happened at the Army Remembrance Day in Abuja, where retired soldiers were dragging food? Yes, they are all dragging food. You know the reason? They are hungry. Most of them, their arrears and those things are being denied pay. You understand? And you guys don't even have to, like, let me not even put or see what I am not supposed to see here. Do you know that soldiers are watching those things that were happening that time, the last time, which is 3 days ago? Soldiers were just like me watching at them, knowing fully well that I'm going to end up like that. That is what you guys are going to are telling private soldiers. They are going to end up like those people dragging food at Army Remembrance Day. I'm going to ask Nigeria. You see the money that is in Malami, that man looted. Only that money can feed Nigeria Army for over 5 to 6 years with a good increment of salaries. They can use that money to pay Nigeria Army, even if it's 500,000. I want to tell you how evil can our leaders be to implement things that will benefit or that will improve and enhance the security system. They are always failing to do it. Why? I told you guys, the money your state governor used to loot, if they tell you, the money reach to the pay each of those state citizens, and they will become successful with that money. My point is this: what is keeping them? I told you guys, they are fighting insecurity, don't want to tackle what is causing the insecurity. I will not be the one to pronounce what is causing the insecurity. They know it. Imagine somebody carrying gun, standing on the road or being in the bush for the whole day. Sometimes to the allowance where they give self, they cut them before even reach the person. Some not even get them at all. And you give that person gun to be there. Forget after duty, the person they submit gun. Just forget. Have you ever asked yourself, even the chief of defense staff, the chief of army staff, have you ever asked yourself, let's forget about bandit, kidnapping that used to happen with, they do carry AK-47 and most of those advanced guns. Wait, now then buy the gun, maybe the military sell those guns to them. I will not say it, but I will still tell you, kidnapping you see, military people, police people, let me not see police, any uniform people you see, they are always involved in those acts. You might not catch them red-handed, but I will tell you that they use most of those guns. Some of them make I tell you something. They use most of those guns to carry out activities. The reason why I will not explain in these details is that Nigerians, they know what they are doing. Yes, they know what they are doing. Because to increase, I'm even talking about increment of a soldier salary. The money where only one man they loot for Nigeria, they reach to employ thousands of Nigeria and pay them a very good amount of money for 10 years. Only one man looting in Nigeria. My problem is what is stopping the federal government for not implementing the salary? Then they will start be making noise and they are working. They are always working on it. They are always working on it. That is what I saw. They are always working on it. I want crime to stop. You see those people, they are retired soldiers. They are fighting for food. And you guys saw that private soldiers are looking at them while they are fighting for food. And you think they will watch themselves, watching at them, ending up like them? It will not happen. It will never happen. Rather, they will involve themselves in doing illegal activities. Kidnapping might occur. You might not catch anybody or see anybody that is personally involved, right? But if you check or investigate that thing, there must be an intelligent person that planted that kidnapping activity. See, somebody wey no dey knowledgeable enough no fit plan kidnapping. No be lie dey lie you. So make we no dey deceive ourselves.